Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Oh my goodness, by the time you watch this video, guess what? I am officially 46 years old. Do you see the wrinkle on my face? Not yet. Anyway, so today's video is my birthday gift unboxing. And let's see what gift I got for myself for my birthday. That's right, the Louis Vuitton unboxing. And let's get started and let me show you how I got this for 25% off. Wow, it's been a long time I bought anything from Louis Vuitton, like I don't know, 4 or 5 months. So I'm very happy. So this is the box. Open it, so big. And here's a receipt. And let me show you this bag. Oh my gosh. So you guys know me that if you've been following me, you know that I normally will buy showpiece or limited editions. But lately I haven't found anything with my price range. Everything that I want is just a little bit too expensive. So I need to be careful on my budget, right? So I actually bought something, not a showpiece, but it's a new design. So let me show you this. And I have the information here. Let me just get this out real quick so I know the name. Okay, are you ready to see it? Oh my goodness. I am absolutely love this. This is the brand new design of Louis Vuitton Grand Set. And this is the monogram eclipse design, so you can see it. I absolutely love it, and this is the actual main collections. I don't believe it's limited or a season. It's just a new design bag. And it's kind of like the woman, what do you call? On-the-go bag, but it's really designed for men. I almost bought that one, but I just feel like I need something more masculine a little bit. I love this. This bag has two designs, the monogram eclipse, this design. The other one is the fabric right here, and you're gonna pay that particular one. I think is about $700 more. So let me give you this bag. I'm looking at my information. Hold please. Okay, so the bag here, it's about 13.40 in length. Height is about 16.54, and it's about wide is 5.5 inches. So you can see that it comes with a luggage tag. Do you guys know how hard to get luggage tag now? So I'm very happy. And it's a silverware. So what's really cool about this bag is when you open it, it's a large toe, but check this out. It has a pouch, it's detachable. Oh my god, I love this. Look at this. It's detachable pouch, and here has the Louis Vuitton logo right here. It's a kind of like a dark metal hardware a little bit. So you zip it up, open it. It shows you Louis Vuitton made in France. See that? So this is really good. Oh my god, I can't wait to use this. This is so cool. So it's a snap-on right here. And in here, it's just a large canvas tote bag right here inside. So what's really cool is they add a little detailed design right here. So they kind of do a little stitch in the corner, so it made the bag like that. So what I like about this is, the first, I always love tote bag, and number two, I like the round handle like this. I don't like the flat handle, so this is really easier to carry, doesn't harm my arm a little bit. And also inside has a one pocket right here, so you can see it's a pretty large pocket. What's this? Oh, this is the item number in case you guys want that. Alright, and of course the bag is made in France. So nice. So let's talk about how I paid this for 25% off the retail price. How this happened is that I think about 4 or 5 months ago I got a card from Louis Vuitton customer relationship, and on the card, I'm gonna post right here, you can see it. Let me see what it say. Basically it tells me that hold please, I need to find my phone. Okay, so you basically say, you know, as a cherished client of our house, we want to make you your most every experience with Louis Vuitton, it is our pleasure to remind you that you have outstanding credit value of $516.56 as April 15, 2019. So basically, I have a credit in there, and when I got this, I'll show right here. I really don't know how I got credit. It says my name, Mr. Jan. It's sent to my house. I have an actual card in my hand. So immediately I took a picture, sent to my SA, and she checked in and she told me, yeah, you do. You have a credit. Come spend the money. And back in April, I didn't really want to buy anything, so I kind of forgot about the card until I was in New York pop-up store a couple months ago. And I have the card with me. So I was going to buy a piece for men's collection during the New York pop-up store. And the SA was very nice in New York. And he told me that, oh, Mr. Jen, the balance, the credit has been redeemed. I'm thinking, wait a minute, I haven't bought anything, so I don't know how that happened, but I don't want to make a scene. So I said, okay, well, no problem, you know, let's just forget about it. So I brought a car back to my SA in South Coast Plaza, and I say that, okay, I want to buy grain sack, and I like to use my car. She said, okay, no problem. So she was gone for almost an hour, and she finally said, oh, she needs to take care of something for me, and I can, if it's okay, I'll come back, pick up tomorrow or later. I said, sure, of course. So I went back to pick up the bag about a day later. So finally, she told me this. And this is why it's so important. You need to have a good relationship with your SA. She said that the car sent to me, it's sent to me, addressed to me. However, Louis Vuitton corporate make a mistake. That car should send to someone else, but for some reason they sent to me. They don't owe me anything. It just happened to be they sent the car to me with my name, but the credit was someone else's. I said, oh my god. And I kind of feel embarrassing, like, oh my god, you know. Then she said, don't worry, because you're a value client with us and you have the card in your hand, it's addressed to your name, so we honor you that the credit. Oh! So that means I only paid this bag 25% off. So this bag is a 2000, hold please, 2140, and then you want to minus 516. So that's about 27% off. So wow, this is like a best deal ever. But I have to say, you know, first I want to say thank you so much, Louis Vuitton, for your support. I really appreciate that. And I thank my SA to fight for me. Because again, if I'm just a regular client, I never shop with her, she could have told me that there's a mistake, you know, you don't get it. I mean, what can I say, right? Because it's not my money. But I have a good relationship with her, and she fought for me, so I really appreciate. So Juliana, thank you so much. Anyway, so this is my bag. Now let's talk about how I do another very special thing for this bag. Okay, so after I got this bag home, I love everything look, but my biggest concern is I was planning to use this when I travel, but it's a big tote bag. And there's no zipper right here, so things definitely gonna fall everywhere. Especially if I take this with me, it probably had to lay flat on the floor or something like that. So I contact Samorga, this brand right here. I need. Oh, hold on. You guys know that I have a lot of back insert. And you really need an insert for all your bags so everything can be organized. But I didn't find any sizes to fit this bag, so I contact them. They do customized design. So this is customized fit. It cost me about $100, but now it has a zipper right here, and it has a compartment in here. And now let me show you. This fits so nice inside. So if you guys have any bag that you can find a design, you should definitely contact them. I'll put their information below. See? Let me show you. It fits in there perfectly. So this is the custom design for this particular bag, and I absolutely love it. So now, when I use this, I can actually zip it up, so nothing will falling out. So this is much more great. So I'm very happy for this. So you're gonna see me rock this everywhere I go now. I can't wait for wear this bag. I really hope that you like this Louis Vuitton unboxing. It's been a while I've been doing that, and I really also appreciate all your support on my social media. If you like this video, give this video a like. thumbs up and leave the comment below and share the video on your social media. It means a lot to me. And don't forget to follow all my social media right here. I have a 2 Instagram account. Skin by Steve Jen. It's all about beauty and skincare on Instagram. Mr. Genuine One, it's all about fashion, luxury, and travel. So 2 separate accounts for 2 different focus. And please follow me on both accounts. I really appreciate that. And I will see you guys next week. Bye!